If you want to learn how to build speed into your guitar playing by using some legato techniques, then this is the video for you. So episode 4, we do this. We start on 8, 10, 12 on the 6th string and then move it to the 5th string. And well, I'll show you the pattern. It's probably easy for me to show you. It goes like this. And then we move it across the 5th and the 4th strings like so. Next 2 strings. Next 2, but you've got your little shift this way if you remember on your 3 note per string C major scale pattern. So that's going to go. And then the final 2 strings of. Then we've got to descend. Okay, and then build your speed up, you know. It's a good cycling exercise, you know, you can find the weak pairs of strings. And then start to link them together. So the backing track is included in the link below. Again, just jam it out and run through the ascending and descending part 1, ascending and descending part 2, ascending and descending part 3, and now you've got this 6-note pattern across the 2 strings. I always visualize it in pairs of strings as I'm looking up and down the scale like that, which sort of makes it a bit easier for me. So then you're going to do this one, which is episode 4, which is probably going to take you around about the 15-minute mark per day. As I've said before, we are going to end up on maybe 35 to 45 minutes of legato exercises a day, every day, to get really good at this, and it's going to make a massive impact on your playing. Please give my channel a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next week with episode 5 of this legato journey and building speed to play faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.